The F-16 Fighting Falcon is a highly maneuverable, multi-role fighter aircraft developed by General Dynamics, now Lockheed Martin, for the United States Air Force. Here are some key facts. Overview. Type: multi-role fighter. First flight February 2nd, 1974. Introduced August 1978. Manufacturer originally General Dynamics, now Lockheed Martin. Primary users United States Air Force and many allied nations including Israel, Turkey, Egypt, and others. Key features: speed over Mach 2, approx 1,500 plus mph or 2,400 plus kmh, range 2,022 miles with drop tanks. Engine 1 Pratt & Whitney F100 or General Electric F110 turbofan. Armament 20mm 61 Vulcan cannon. Can carry missiles AM-9 Sidewinder, AM-120 AMRAAM, pumps GBU series, JDM, etc. and rockets. Avionics, advanced radar, targeting pods, and electronic warfare systems. Notable, lightweight, and relatively low cost compared to other modern fighters. Over 4,600 units built, making it one of the most widely used fighter aircraft globally. Still actively upgraded, F-16V variant, and widely in service.